All right, let's look at the exit ticket. So number 1 says, if Brian bought $124.50 worth of items, what would be the final bill total after applying a discount of 35%? So we need to know that the amount he purchased, that was $124.50. and that he gets a discount of 35%. The question says, what would the final bill total? So this is a 2-step problem. So first step is we're going to take 35%. We're going to multiply that by the price of the items and see what is the amount of the discount. So I come to the calculator. I type in 35% of $124.50. And I see that that is $43.58. $43.58. So now what I'm going to have to do is, in order to find the total, since this is a discount, I'm going to take the price, which is $124.50, and subtract the $43.58 and see what the final price would be. So 124.50 minus that discount, which was $43.58, and I get $80.92. So the answer should have been B. All right, problem number 2. The Mitchell family bought some new camping gear at REI that totaled $318.50. If they had a coupon for 30% off, how much did they save? So all it says is how much did they save. So this is a 1-step problem. So we're just going to calculate what is 30% of, which we know that's multiply, times the price. So you use your Desmos calculator. You have 30% of $318.50. So they saved $95.55. Number 3. Josiah received a 25% discount on the purchase of a $240 bike. What was the amount of the discount? So this is a 1-step. So we're going to take and find, well, what is 25% of $240? So use our Desmos. 25% of 240 is going to be $60. So he gets a discount of $60. Number 4, Ayana wants to buy new boots that are $189.50. But she only has $150. If she has a coupon for 25% off, does she have enough money to buy the boots? So when it says, do they have enough money to buy something, that's going to be a 2-step. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is 25% of $189.50. And that's $47.38. So next, since it's a 2-step, we're going to take that original price and we're going to subtract the discount, because a coupon always means you're going to get to pay less. All right, so the final price would be $142.12. And if she has $150, then yes, she has enough money. All right, thank you guys.